Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lisema Matsietsi and thank you for coming to this channel. We're going to be discussing the types of analysis. In the previous video, we're talking about the pyramid that gets you to the top of the pyramid where you start to doing your analysis. Here in this video, we're going to be talking about what type of analysis do you do once you get to the top of that pyramid. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thank you ladies and gentlemen for coming to these videos and watching them. I'm really humbled. On this video we're going to be talking about the type of analysis like I've said, and on this type of analysis we're really trying to demystify the difference between business intelligence and data sciences as the two, I don't know what to call them, body of knowledge if I may call them. They look very similar, but on this video I'm trying to try to demystify when do you need one. You need data science or you're going to be needing business intelligence. Maybe business intelligence will suit you best. But before we do that, let's look at the four types of analysis and we try to apply both business intelligence or data sciences to any of them. The first one that we're looking at is descriptive analysis, where you are asked to come up with who's responsible, who is the top salesperson, where did the sales take place, when did it take place, how many were sold, what is the problem. When you're looking at that, you are more looking at data, or you're looking at answers that you can just easily find within data. And for so doing, that falls within the business intelligence sphere. Second type of analysis is the predictive ones. When you're not describing data, you are going into the future and you're saying, with the current run rate, where would we end up next year quarter or next quarter type of a thing? With the current run rate, how many of our sales consultants would be our top performers? All of that talking about the unknown in the future, and business intelligence cannot help with that, but data science can be able to help us with that. The way of doing this is those statistical analysis or statistical methods that they can apply to help them with, predictive analysis. Business intelligence, most of the time, it doesn't help with hardcore predictive analysis. That's why I'm saying, let's take out the tool out of here, because when we start to say, no, but the tool is the business analysis tool, but it has this function. The function already, when it goes predictive analysis, it's already on the data science sphere. Third one that we're looking at is diagnostic analysis, which provides an analysis to tell why something is happening. This is where we're looking at what is the cost of this thing. Say for instance, we missed our target. What is the cost of this? You can actually look at what is the cost based on both the future or the past. And it's a clear line there where we can say, since we're looking at what is the cost, you're looking at a diagnostic analysis, it can fall both on the data science and both on the business and intelligence spheres. So it doesn't really matter if you are doing diagnostic analysis to say, oh, what really happened. But when you're talking about, there's a clear line between descriptive and what is the cost. This is where you're going into finicky detail to look at what's really happening with the sales numbers, what's really happening with the number of customers, where are they, how could we get them, why are they running away from us, type of a thing. So it circles around between descriptive and predictive, hence why this one falls between both data science and data and business intelligence. The last one is prescriptive, is where what is the likely best course of action in order for us to avoid the economical downturn, to get our sales targets met. We should take this route. This is where you're doing prescriptive to say, for the future, for us to get there, we should be able to take this course of action, or we have 3 roads, we should be able to choose between higher, medium and low, and we pick this way. This course of action, business intelligence won't be able to help us out. And this one, because of the statistical tools that are available to the data science people, it belongs in the data science sphere. In summary, if we summarize this, anything else that has to do with the past, we can just take it and put it into business intelligence. If you are taking data and you're being asked about the past, most of the time, you need to hire a business intelligence analyst, BI analyst or BI, whatever you want to call them, is business intelligence. But if your problems are more focused on the future, you have to start thinking about a data science role. If your problem is normally about diagnostics, to say, just tell us, why is our people falling off? Like you're in value analytics, you just want to look at currently. You can have a mix of both business intelligence people in your team as well as your data science people in your team. Because I mean, you're doing value analytics, you're just looking at what is happening currently. But if you are focused on the future, most of the time your team will be on data science team. If you're focusing on the history, your team would be mostly data science team. Taking out the tools out of it, because the tools confuses us. We're just looking at what is the need or the question for the business. Once you understand the question for the business, I think it should be easy to say, hang on a second, I'm gonna need 5 data scientists, or hang on a second, I'm gonna need a BI manager and 7 business analysts. That's me for this week. Thank you. See you again for the next video.